കേരള പബ്ലിക് സർവീസ് കമ്മീഷൻ നടത്തുന്ന ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് പരീക്ഷയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന കേരള ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ കോഡ് പരീക്ഷയുടെ മുൻകാല ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ് ഈ ഭാഗത്ത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്രദമാകട്ടെയെന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. വിജയാശംസകൾ.
Review of budget involves detailed examination of estimates, how best plans were executed effectively, and this work is entrusted to the legislative committee called. Answer B. Estimates Committee. What are the parts into which government accounts are divided? Answer D. All the three above. In the 5-tier classification of transactions, the 4th tier subordinate heads are divided into dash, which is also known as object classification. Answer C. Detailed head. The act of formal acceptance by Finance Department of funds found to be excess of requirements out of sums surrendered by controlling or disbursing officers. Answer A. Resumption. In the preparation of estimates for budgets, standing sanctions denote existing laws, rules or order taken cognizance of in the estimation of dash. Answer C. Both 1 and 2. In the statement showing progress of expenditure under the 5-year plan, state plan schemes are shown in dash. Answer A. Part A. At the time of transition from one 5-year plan to another, expenditure on maintenance of completed schemes and that on schemes in progress are provided for in the next plan as dash expenditure. Answer B. Committed. In the departmental estimate for budgeting, the actual of the previous year entered in column number 1 of the performer is the reconciled figure agreed with that of dash. Answer A. Accountant General. Provision for losses not normally made in the budget, but in any case some loss is expected. Provision has to be made in budget estimate with special sanction of dash. Answer D. Finance Department. Budget estimate of salary for the month of dash be made in the following year as it become due only after the end of the month. Answer C. March. Budget estimates of salary provision in all forms of officials and staff are worked out on the number of incumbents dash. Answer D. Both 2 and 3. After the preliminary scrutiny of the non-plan estimates, to finalize estimates, to understand the financial requirements of departments, a discussion would be convened by Finance Department. Those who attend the discussions are dash. Answer D. All of the above. Towards the end of January, the Board of Revenue will send report on the modifications to be made in the estimates of receipts relating to state excise to dash. Answer C. Both 1 and 2. The Administrative Reforms Commission recommended the introduction of performance budgeting both at center and in the states and in Kerala. The first attempt at performance budgeting was made in 1970-71 in Dash Department. Answer D. Public Works, B and R. The estimates relating to expenditure on consolidated fund of the state shall not be submitted for Dash of the Assembly. Answer B. Vote. To meet the contingency of expenditure during the ensuing year, state legislatures are allowed make an advance grant as vote on account under Article Dash of Constitution. Answer A. 2061. What are the different ways of control that the Finance Department exercise over expenditure? Answer D. All of the above. Every disbursing officer should maintain a register of expenditure and liabilities for reporting monthly the actual expenditure and liability incurred in Form Dash. Answer C. 12. The procedure of controlling expenditure on account of travel expenses of members of Legislative Assembly is followed by Dash. Answer B. Secretary, L.A. Among the following, which department follows special procedure for the control of expenditure due to the mode of functioning? Answer D. Public Works Department. The last date by which proposals for reappropriation requiring government sanction and for surrender of savings should reach the Finance Department from Administrative Department is Dash. Answer C. 25th February. In Chapter 9 of Kerala Budget Manual, the work of review of budget is subdivided and scrutiny of audit report is entrusted to Dash. Answer B. Public Accounts, Undertakings Committee. The Committee on Estimates, consisting of Dash members, constituted by the Legislative Assembly for the examination of such of the estimates as it deem fit or are specially referred to it by the House. Answer A. 11. The emoluments and allowances of Ghana and other expenditures relating to the Raj Bhavan are charged on Dash. Answer B. Consolidated Fund of State. Presentation of budget to the Assembly in two or more parts are allowed as per Rule Dash of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Kerala Legislative Assembly. Answer D. Rule 143.